Okay, so I'm painting this shroud. I'm taking this off. I'm taking this shroud, just that, and painting it red to go with like all the little red accents and stuff, like on the stickers too, like that red. Yeah, I'm doing this red engine enamel. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna take this off, scratch it up, and paint her. And then that's it. And then I'm going to get a red air filter when I buy the pod air filter. That's gonna go right there. And then I adjusted my throttle some, so now it's easier to turn. So yeah. Alright, well, let's get it. I'm painting this, that only. I'm not painting this, just this stuff. So I gotta take this off, get it set up, sand it, and paint it. Hey guys, so we're gonna go for a ride. Sorry, my GoPro just kind of up and died. So you're gonna have to get like a face cam view from down below, because that's where my speedometer is, and you're also going to be seeing the speedometer as you can see right now. So let me get my gear on, and then we're gonna go for a ride. Last time my high speed was 44, so we're gonna see what we can get here. It's scary, that's for sure. Yeah, I was wondering why I couldn't get like very fast. I was only getting like 30 something. Well, I figured out my I was only getting half throttle, so when I fixed that issue, I got to the point where now it's scary fast. It's so fast, it's terrifying. You're not going to be able to hear me once I get going because it's just so loud. So, but that's okay. So you might see me look down a lot. That would be me looking down at the speed so I can tell how fast I'm going. Alright, so sorry, this is the best I could get. Okay. I just got done riding for the day, and I'm taking her to my brother's house, and I'll try and get some video of that. But paint job turned out pretty good. Got my RKR. Painted this last minute, so it looks kind of bad. It's got runs all over it, and it didn't turn out right. Then I painted the gas cap, and I had taped over that, but it's still like kind of messed up. Nobody's gonna be looking at that, but yeah, turned out pretty good. And then put a little bit of like splatter type paint on here, and it kind of matches the brake caliper. That was my goal, but it was just whatever I had. It was whatever paint I had. So wrecked it today and threw the chain. Had to tension it up some, but we're good. So she's hot, really hot, because I've been taking her out off-roading over there. So trying to get ready, because his house doesn't have any roads except for the county highway or state highway or something like that. So I'm going to be riding her off-road only, so that's going to suck for this baby. Hopefully I don't burn up the clutch with this little sprocket. But yep, so we're going to take her out there and see how she does. Yeah, so like I said, I fixed the throttle problem, and now she's a lot faster. I probably didn't get a good view in that video. Sorry about that. Sorry that it was in portrait mode. I didn't even think about that. I probably should have put it in landscape. I could have, but I just didn't think about it. So, well, anyway, so there's that. When I wrecked it, I believe I bent something in here. So, like now, it wobbles really bad, and two, when you pull it, rather than it going straight back, it kind of goes down. I mean, it doesn't hurt nothing. It still works real good, but it just annoys me. So far, that's pretty much the only problem, other than, like I said, the clutch getting hot because of the tiny sprocket with going off-road. So, still gotta find and hook up a kill switch, because this isn't gonna work forever, just tapping that to there to ground her out, but eventually I'll find something. I'm debating on just buying this OEM kill switch and just putting her in there, because it's red, it'll kind of match, and I can just hook it up and have no problems. But I don't know. Anyway, so that's that. And